welcome you all. In this video, we will discuss how to draw the isometric view from the orthographic view. So now, in the problem, it is clearly given that it is a square prism of side 40 mm and that its axis height is 70 mm. So I mark 70 mm here. This is my 70 mm. Right? So I have drawn the orthographic view of square prism 40 mm and height 70 mm. So in the isometric view, that is in the problem, isometric view problems, the resting condition will not be given. So in whatever way you can draw the simple position, whether like this is side resting or corner resting. So anyhow, in which way you want, in which way you wish, you can draw the simple position. Then you are asked to draw isometric view in the problem. So now to start the isometric view, what you have to do is, first thing, draw a horizontal line like this. Then rotate your drafter about 30 degree in clockwise and from a point. So mark a point here. From this point, draw a line like this. Similarly, in the opposite direction, that is anti-clockwise direction, make a 30 degree and draw a line like this. Now this angle is 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. This is your 30 degree. You don't need to mark all these degrees, these points and all in isometric view, but for our convenience it is nothing wrong to mark all these points here, right? So next thing what you have to do is, the side of the square is given as 40 mm. So this side, these two sides must be transferred to here. So this point, I make it this point as this one. So this point is called as point number 1. So this is my point number 1 like this. So this is your bottom edge. Here your top base will come. So in the bottom base, the point number 1 will come here. Now this 1 to 2 length is 40 mm. So I am making this 1 to 2 here. So mark a 40 mm here, and this is your point 2. Similarly, in this direction, in this line also, make a 40 mm line like this and mark this point as this point. So this is your point number 4. Okay. So now next thing, you have marked point 1 to 4. You have to mark the point number 3. So to mark the point number 3, you just measure this distance, that is 40 mm distance, with your compass, and from here point number 2 make an arc. Similarly from point number 4 make an arc like this. Okay, this is your point number 3. So this is my point number 3. So first mark all the points 1, 2, 3, 4 A, B, C, D. Then you can draw the shorter edges and longer edges, thick edges, thin edges, all those things, right? So first I marked the point 1.1, point 2, point 3, point 4. Now I have to mark the point A, B, C, D and all. So to mark the point A, what I have to do, from the point 1, point A is 70 mm vertical line. So from the point 1, make a vertical, set your drafter to 0 degree, then from point number 1 vertically mark like this, vertically mark 70 mm point here. So this is your point A, right? So mark point A. Similarly, from point number 2, mark the point B, that is 2B edge. So from point number 2, vertically mark 70 mm point. At a 70 mm distance, the vertical point should be marked, right? So use your drafter to mark the point vertically. So this point is point B. Similarly, the C point will be there with point number 3. So now from point number 3, vertically mark 70 mm, that will be your point C. Similarly, from point 4, mark vertical point at 70 mm. So this is your point D. So now you have marked all the 8 points of a square prism. So this is your point C, it is your point A, this is your point B, this is your point D. So point 4, point 3, point 1, point 2. Like this you have to mark all the 8 points. Now in the isometric view, it is not required to draw the invisible edges. You should draw only the visible edges. Now, to find the visible edges, what you have to do, first thing, this top portion, that is this top base A, B, C, D will be visible. So join AB, BC, CD, DA with H pencil to show your visible edges like this. So this is my top base AB, BC, AB, CD. This is my top edge. So this top base will be always visible in all kind of prism. So what you have to do first, to draw a isometric view of a prism, you have to transfer all the base points, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 1, 2, 6. You have to mark all the points here. Then from all those points at a axis length, draw vertical line. Don't draw the vertical line. At a height of 70 mm, at a height of given axis given in the problem, just mark the point A, B, C, D, E, F. Then join all A, B, C, D points with your H pencil. So the top base will be completed. Now to find the visible edges, what you have to do, in this polygon, the left extreme point is D, the right extreme point is B. Join this point B and D with the imaginary line like this. Like this only you have to do. So now the points below this scale are visible. So the point A, point B, point D are visible. From the point D, draw a vertical line, that is, it is your longer edge. So from point D, the longer edge will be 4D. Similarly, from point A, the longer edge will be 1A. From point B, the longer edge will be 2B. Right? So these longer edges will be only visible longer edges. The longer edge 3C will not be invisible. You need not to show the invisible edge in the isometric view. Now in the bottom base, what you have to do is just connect the visible edges, which is visible longer edges like this. So the point A, D, B will be visible. From the point A, D, B, draw vertical lines, that is your longer edge. Then connect your longer edge like this. This is your final isometric view. Thank you.